Forgotten username recovery failed on Bento for Business fix. If your Bento for Business username recovery keeps failing, don't stress. Most people get this wrong because they assume Bento still uses traditional usernames. The surprising truth is that Bento now relies on your registered email as the main login credential, which is why the old forgot username process often fails. Here's how to fix it step by step. Step 1. Open the Bento for Business app or visit the website. Enter your registered email address instead of a username. If you're unsure which email you used, check your inbox for past emails from Bento, such as account statements, card notifications, or payment confirmations. Step 2. If you've forgotten your password, click Forgot Password and follow the instructions sent to your email. Make sure to check it, your spam or junk folder if the reset email doesn't appear immediately. Step 3. If you signed up using a third-party login, such as Google or Apple, log in using that same method. Switching login methods is a common reason recovery attempts fail. Step 4. If you still cannot access your account, contact Bento for Business support. Provide your full name, registered email, and mention that your forgotten username recovery failed. Their team will verify your identity and restore access securely. Most users assume their account is lost or locked, but the real reason recovery fails is simple. Bento removed usernames to simplify login and increase security. So don't worry, your account and funds are safe. Use your registered email, reset your password if necessary, and you'll be back managing your Bento for Business account in minutes.